All right, we go into Auton. All 6 bots are moving, attempting to score Coral into their reefs. 52-93 on the Blue Alliance. Scores into the processor. 1771 goes ahead and scores 1, 2, 3 Coral on the top section of their reef. Coming out of Auton, the score is 42-30 in favor of Blue Alliance. We've got over 2 minutes left in this match, so let's see how this ends up playing out. 1683 goes to score a Coral onto the top tier, but they miss. 1771 grabs an algae, shoots it into the barge net, and they score. The human player on the blue side scores the algae that was in the processor from the Auton round. 5293 goes to score another algae in the processor. 1771 scores another algae in the barge net, and the red human player scores an algae in the barge net. Oh, but it just falls out. 1683 scores another top Coral for the Red Alliance. They're going in for another one. They're moving up to tier 4, and they also get it in. Red Alliance is very close to filling up that entire top tier on their reef. As 1683 scores another top Coral. Meanwhile, moving over to the Blue Alliance, they also have almost their entire top section filled out. The Red Alliance is dominating this algae game here. They have their algae net basically completely full on their barge. They only have a couple algae left on the field. They seem to be grabbing algae from the other side since the Blue Alliance is processing a lot of algae. It is full with so many algae, I can't even count how many are in there. I can't even see all of them. 1771 goes to score another algae. I'm not even sure they can fit another one, but somehow they find a way and they manage to get that in there. 4112 scores another Coral on top of the reef for the Blue Alliance, and 5293 puts another algae into that processor. 1771 somehow gets another algae up into that barge net. This is a very close game, folks. Alliance 1 on the red side has managed to take the lead 140 to 132 with 35 seconds left in the match. 163 continues to score Coral along with 171. They score now on the second tier of the reef as the first one is completely full. Meanwhile, looking back over to the Blue Alliance, on the Blue Alliance side, we have 6705 playing some defense, probably largely playing into the fact that the Red Alliance has been able to catch up in this match, coming back from a deficit in the Auton round. 1771 rounds out their second tier of their Coral as well. 1771 goes to do a deep cage climb. 1683 also goes to do a deep cage climb. 1771 gets off the ground. 5293 rushes to the end. 1683 was not able to get their cage climb, but 1771 was able to stay off the ground. We had 2 bots parked on the Blue Alliance side and 1 bot parked on the Red Alliance side with a deep cage from 1771. That's the end of the match, folks. We'll wait to see the final score. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this score from that last intense match. The fish are swimming out to tell us that the Red Alliance is going to take that one with a final score for the match of 187 to 151, coming back from that original deficit from the Auton section of the round. The Red Alliance will continue to advance in the upper bracket, going to match 11 of round 4, while the Blue Alliance will advance to the lower bracket, round 3, match 9.